Hi Fatimites. I hope you and your family members are keeping fine. We the Fatima family, your teachers and the school management are trying our best to keep you close to your second home through activities related to your studies. Children, so I would like to welcome you all to the amazing world of mathematics. Children, you know, numbers are everywhere and it's very important for us. Numbers are everywhere connected to everything we do. So, let's start our first chapter related to numbers. Chapter 1, Numbers and Numeration. Children, in this session, I will be introducing to you the following key concepts. Large numbers, system of numeration, Indian system of numeration, International system of numeration, place value and face value, expanded and short form of numbers. Children, are you ready for your first topic? Yes, our first topic is large numbers. Let's look back to your previous knowledge before entering into this topic. Yes, children, you already know the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000 and the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Next we have 7-digit numbers. So before learning 7-digit numbers, let's check our knowledge about 6-digit numbers. The largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999 and the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Children, please pay attention on the screen. There you can see an addition table that shows on adding 1 to the greatest 6-digit number, that is 9,99,999, we get the smallest 7-digit number and is called 10 lakh. Next we have 8-digit numbers and beyond. The smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore and the smallest 9-digit number is 10 crores. Children, now I welcome you all to our next topic, System of Numeration. Do you know there are 2 systems of numeration? First, Indian system of numeration. Second, International system of numeration. Let's learn more about Indian system of numeration. Our next topic is Indian system of numeration. Indian system has periods, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, so on. Children, please pay attention. In Indian place value chart, the ones period has 3 places and all other periods have 2 places each. You can see the Indian system of numeration table shown on the screen. There you can see the first period, that is ones period, have 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands period have 2 places, thousands, 10,000s. And lakhs we have lakh and 10 lakhs. And crores we have 2 places, crore and 10 crores. So, in Indian system of numeration, first we use comma after ones periods, that means after 3 digits, and then after every 2 places. Children, let's solve some questions related to Indian system of numeration. Write the following numbers in Indian system of numeration using commas. Also, write their number names. So we have the first question, 4786457. So the solution is, first you write the number as it is without changing the order of the digits. So we have 4786457. After that, insert the comma after the first 3 digit, then comes to every 2 digits. So your answer is 47,86,457. And the number name is 47,86,457. Next question we have 9111409. So the solution is, first you write the number as it is without changing the order of the digits. Then insert comma after the first 3 digits. That means after 409 1 comma. Then after the 2 digits, that is 11 another comma. So your answer is 91,11,409. Number name is 91,11,409. Children, let's study about International System of Numeration. In International Place Value Chart, all the periods have 3 places each. The International System has periods, ones, thousands, millions, so on. So we have here a table that represents the place value chart of International System. Here we have ones period, the rightmost, 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. Then thousands place we have thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. And millions period we have millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. So in International System of Numeration, we use commas after every 3 places. So when you insert comma in International System of Numeration, every 3 digits we have to insert comma. Children, now let's solve some questions related to International System of Numeration. Write the following numbers in International System of Numeration using commas. Also write their number names. So we have the first question, 7803123. And the solution is, first write the number given as it is without changing the order of the digits. Now insert commas accordingly. First we need to insert comma after 3 digit, then again next 3 digit and so on. So here we have the number 7,803,123 and the number name is 7,803,123. Our next question is 2781564. First, write the numeral as it is without changing the order of the digits. Then insert comma after every 3 digit. That means your comma will be inserted after ones period, then comes to the next thousands period, so on. So your answer is 2,781,564. And the number name is 2,781,564. So the number name is 2,781,564. Children, our next topic is place value and face value. First, let's see what is face value. Face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. It does not depend on the position of the digit. Or we can say face value means the number itself. Let's see one example. Face value of 3 in 27,131 is 3. Similarly, the face value of 1 is 1, 7 is 7 and 2 is 2. Next we have place value. Place value of a digit in a number is obtained by multiplying its face value by the value of the place in which the digit is kept. So, to find the place value, multiply the given number by the value of its place. For example, the place value of 2 in the given number 12,345 is 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. Similarly, 5, the place value of 5 is 5 into 1 is equal to 5 and 4 is 4 into 10 is equal to 40 and 3 is 3 into 100 is equal to 300 and the place value of 2 is 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000 and last the place value of 1 is 1 into 10,000 is equal to 10,000. Children, let's see one more example about place value and face value. Find the place value and face value of the underlying digit in number 61,34,256. So here we need to find out the face value and place value of the digit 3. So first we have face value of 3 is equal to 3. And place value of 3 is 3 into 10,000 is equal to 30,000. That means 3 occupies the place of 10,000. So we need to multiply 3 by 10,000 and the answer is 30,000. Now we have our last topic, expanded and short form. In expanded form, a number is written as a sum of the place values of each of its digits, and the form in which we commonly write the number is called the short form. So children, here we have the question, write the expanded form of 9 crores 46 lakh 32,841. So the question itself is in the short form. So we don't need to take another example. You can understand that the number or the numeral given here is in the short form. We need to write the expanded form. So expanded form, to write, you will multiply the respective digits related with its place value, or we can say we'll multiply with its places. So first we have 9 followed by 7 zeros shows 9 crores plus 4 followed by 6 zeros 40 lakhs plus 6 followed by 5 zeros it is 6 lakh plus 30,000 3 followed by 4 zeros plus 2,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 1. So this is the expanded form of the question given in short form. So children, we have completed the first few topics of your first chapter, numbers and numeration. We will be continuing the other topics in another video. So take care, stay safe, God bless you.